All right, Justin, so you're explaining to me that on this lovely Transit here, if you do it in the wrong order, you cause yourself a lot of grief.
Get in a pinch because if you loosen the top strut bolts first and bring this down, then strut will wad up in the top up here, and you don't have enough room to separate the lower ball joints.
Oh, goodness. So you got to start with the ball joint first.
What I'm going to advise is we start with the ball joint, separate the ball joint. At that point, you'll remove the bolt from the back side of the spindle that goes through the clamp on the strut.
Yeah.
Remove the tie rod, remove the brake and the ABS, pull the spindle off, then get in the car
And take the top off.
Top out.
And this lovely machine requires you take the glove box out to get to the top bolt, which is behind that massive carpet, right up in here. On this side, there's another panel, and you have to reach up underneath by the brake pedals. That is where you'll find the nuts and bolts for the struts. The scratch marks are where the spring was hitting it. And so to get more camber adjustment, you're going to need a big hammer and hit it. Take that out for sure.
That bump right there. And you have to drill this hole out up here.
Yeah, to make them 10 mil.
Yep.
Right. What's on the other side of that sheet metal?
Can't really tell. I mean, it's the engine bay, but...
So on the other side of that sheet metal is a whole lot of nothing. Well, that's good to know.